Where are we going?
Fly helicopters.
Like a dog?
Chocolate, yellow, and black labs. Think about one that was tricolor, all three. It had like one blue eye, one red. Be the first lab of its kind. People would trip out. I got white labs, red fox hair lab, barracudas.
Helicopter tour to Sedona, Arizona. Sedona, Arizona. Sedona, Arizona. Sedona, Arizona. Red rocks. Coyotes. Dude said bears. Just a few things. I kind of want to see a dinosaur. I think that'd be really cool. So we were both like 10 more pounds than what we told him when we were on the phone. And he's like, hey, y'all told us you were 200 pounds. You weighed 220 or 212 pounds. It's kind of funny.
I've seen you down there. Just pick your head up so you can see what I become. It's something like you, something like you.